Mod function returns a remainder when you divide number by divisor. This function has two arguments. In number argument, select the cell reference that contains number which you want to divide by divisor. In divisor argument, select the cell reference that contains divisor which is divided by number. Click cancel. Active this cell. Click Math and Trigonometric arrow button. Scroll down. Click Mod function. In number box, select this number. Press Tab key. In divisor box, select this value. Click OK. Function returns remainder 0 in this cell. Because when you divide 8 by 4, remainder is 0. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns remainder 1 with negative sign. Function returns the sign of divisor with a remainder. Similarly, in this cell, function returns the sign of divisor with a remainder. In this way, mod function is used in an Excel worksheet.